Hey friends, if you wish to use PowerShell to delete files and folders in Windows, then please watch this video. The process is even easier than the process for command prompt. All you need to type is remove-item space the file path. Delete it. Remove-item space the path of the file. So let's assume that the file is this one. I need to delete this file or a folder. It's the same process. Press the Windows key and the R button together. Delete anything that's inside the run window. Pull it here, and between the apostrophes you will find a path. Copy it and then paste it here, and then copy this, and then you can go open command prompt and then click on you can open PowerShell and then click on run as administrator and then paste it here and hit enter, and then it may have deleted the file. Okay, so this is the process to delete the file. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.